Hi everyone. So today's video is on organized and unorganized data. So डेटा के दो टाइप्स होते हैं. एक होता है ऑर्गेनाइज करके रखा हुआ, एक होता है एकदम अनऑर्गेनाइज डेटा. जो ऑर्गेनाइज डेटा है उसमें से जैसे कि अगर आप इफ यू हैव एन अलमेरा and you have bifurcated every slot in that almirah, that this is for my jeans, this is for my trousers, this is for my t-shirts, this is for my top, this is for my jackets, etc, etc. So that is called as an organized data. Now in case of an organized data, it is easier to query, as in if I now tell you to find out a jacket from an organized almirah, it is easier and faster. So now when we talk about databases, example relational, so all the relational databases are kind of a set of organized data, but in that changing anything, example adding a new column or changing any set from a start point is difficult. Example, now you have organized your entire almirah and you have another different type of dresses, okay, for which you need an extra slot, but your entire almirah is full. So now making space for that will be difficult. Okay. Same thing in case of relational databases, you should know beforehand what kind of schema that you are talking about, what is the data that is coming in, and create the entire schema, tables, etc. This is a quick gist of an organized data. Stay tuned for the next video so that we can help you understand more about unorganized data. Follow for more.